Hey guys, welcome again, MyTube 308. Got a bit of a minor flood going here in Tocumwal in the Murray River. So we're going to put the boat in and see if we can check out some stuff and a bit of a view and have a good day. Hopefully we'll catch a fish. So people that have been to the Toke boat ramp here, we used to drive our boats in around these trees there, but now it's all underwater, so I reckon a lot of the beaches will be underwater, so let's see how we go. Say something.
You say something. River's quite high at the moment. Highest I've seen it in a very long time. Not sure I've even seen it this high. The edge of the foreshore lawn area is definitely underwater. A lot of this water is coming from the ovens. A lot of these trees that are getting water now, I haven't seen water like this for years. How deep's the water here?
Hey?
How deep is it?
7 feet.
Very dirty. Pebbly Beach, totally gone. All underwater.
Here we are fishing across from Apex Beach. Really no beach over there at the moment, it's all underwater. We're on the other side of Apex Beach, right in amongst the snags here. Using a bit of cheese, so far we've got one trout cod.
I caught it.
Well, lovely Tracy there caught it. I've got a picture of that, so we'll show you that. So see what else we can get today.